Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 920. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 920 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue can arise from various problems, such as a faulty battery or motherboard failure. If left unrepaired, you may find yourself unable to access important files or use your device altogether, leading to further inconvenience. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery or motherboard, depending on the diagnosis, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage from static electricity. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by carefully inserting the plastic opening tool into the seam of the laptop's base. Gently pry open the case, being cautious not to damage the clips or the casing. Once the back cover is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Look for the battery connection, which is typically located near the edge of the device. If your diagnosis indicates a faulty battery, carefully disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. If it's the motherboard that's faulty, locate the screw securing it in place, usually found around the perimeter of the motherboard. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, applying a gentle force to avoid stripping them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, you can gently lift the motherboard, ensuring you disconnect any attached cables or connectors. Once the faulty component is extracted, replace it with the new one, ensuring that all connections are secure. Reattach the screws to secure the motherboard in place, and reconnect the battery cable if necessary. Finally, align the back cover with the base of your Lenovo Yoga 920 and press down gently until it clicks into place. To verify that your device works, connect it to the power source and attempt to turn it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly check your battery health and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Additionally, keeping your software updated can help prevent potential issues in the future. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.